They're accusing me of being on drugs and they want me to get out. She took all my from me and started taking out of my room, and so I tried to grab it back and she hit me.
Okay.
My dad was there. He didn't do anything to stop any of
Okay,
it. He was
okay.
hitting me.
And you punch or
No,
slap?
I slapped.
So open hands, you hit her? And then what happened after you hit her?
Nothing when I ran downstairs.
袭击父母会是什么结果？肯定是被警官逮捕入狱。今天的事件主角是一位带着鼻钉的女孩，由于父母怀疑其吸毒，将其赶出家门，期间爆发了激烈冲突。女孩发疯般地袭击了自己的妈妈，女孩的父母再也无法忍受，选择了报警，而且坚持将女儿送进监狱。
Hey,
I don't want can the medics pull up to the house for...
I don't want to hold on. She just walked back into the house. Here, come here. Okay, turn around, put your hands behind your back right now. Okay, you're being detained right now.
For what?
For hitting.
She hit me. I was defending myself.
Okay, we're gonna figure out what's going on. I don't want. I have one detained. Okay.
I don't want 10-1 detained, 1721.
All right. The other officers are on their way. Just come over here and talk with me. They'll talk with your mom, okay? What's going on today?
They're accusing me of being on drugs and they want me to get out.
Okay.
And so my mom took all my stuff from me and I tried to grab it back and she started hitting me and so I hit her.
Okay. So, you know, saying, so were you home alone and they were on vacation? Is that what's going on? And they,
Yes.
okay. Do you have any weapons on you right
No.
now? No, you don't have anything? Okay. Okay, so.
I don't want can the medics come right in, or do you want them to stage?
I don't want, they can come in. I have her detained.
Number.
Alright, so. You're here. Your parents come home. Is that what happened?
They came home yesterday.
They came home yesterday. Okay, so what happened today? What caused this?
Nothing. She just came up to my room and like said that I need to get out.
Okay. And you know what the reason for that was?
She said I'm drunk.
Okay. So she told you you had to leave today? Is that's what caused this?
Yes.
Okay, and then what happened after she told you that?
Then she took all my from me and started taking out of my room, and so I tried to grab it back and she hit me.
Okay.
My dad was there. He didn't do anything to stop any of it.
Okay,
He was
okay.
hitting me.
If you wouldn't mind, could you just go talk to the other officer? Just she's obviously upset. I don't want you guys any other arguing or fighting.
女孩父亲双手抱肘，从肢体动作来，这很有可能表达了戒备、疏远的态度。同时，另一方面也好像在对女孩说：“看看你怎么胡说八道。”看样子是女孩伤透了父母的心。
Okay, so sorry, he came over here. So she told you had to leave, and then what happened after that?
Then she took my phone and she started taking everything out of my room, and I tried to take it back.
Okay. And then what happened after? So she took the stuff out of your room. Then what happened? Did you go up to her and what happened?
I tried to grab it out of her hands and she hit me. She punched me.
Okay, where'd she hit you?
In the stomach, in my ribs.
Okay, with
Her hands. Well, with everything in her hands.
Okay. And then what happened after that? After she hit you in the
Then
stomach?
I hit her.
Okay. And you punch or
No,
slap?
I slapped.
So open hands, you hit her?
Yes.
And then what happened after you hit her?
Nothing when I ran downstairs.
Okay, you ran downstairs, and then what happened? You left the house?
Yes.
And why'd you do that?
Because my dad was calling the police. I don't need to go anywhere.
很明显，这属于家庭暴力范畴。家庭暴力是指家庭成员间父母、子女的身体攻击，即使无严重伤害，也可逮捕。而女孩此刻更多的是表演，后来经过警察调查取证，事实和她说的大相径庭。她袭击了母亲，并致使母亲多处受伤，并且她也没有报警，是她的父母报警。很明显，她这里撒谎来证实自己才是受害者。
Okay. Have you had anything to drink or anything today?
No, I've been sober for like 3 months. once.
Okay, that's great. I'm trying to figure out what's going on, what caused this, okay? So, that's why I'm trying to see if you were. No or anything? No? Okay. Okay. Are you hurt?
Yes, it's so much pain. I
Where
can't
are you in
breathe, my lungs.
Your lungs? Okay, alright. I know it's tough. Try and take some deep breaths, okay? Just try and take some deep breaths. The paramedics will check you out too, okay? Alright, so after she hit you, you hit her, you ran away.
Yes.
And that's that, okay?
Yes.
And then we showed up.
Yes.
That's what happened. Okay. Okay. Just let them talk to her, okay? Like I said, I don't want you
Please
guys
let go of me. I'm not gonna run. I'm not gonna do anything.
Okay, I have to hold on to you because you just ran before we got here.
What? What do you mean?
You said you ran out into the woods
I went
over
into
here.
the backyard to get some air. I came back. I wouldn't have come back.
Okay. We're just trying to figure out what's going on, okay? That's why I'm holding on to you. You said you were running. Alright, just try and take some deep breaths, okay? Just try and take a few deep breaths. It's gonna be okay.
They always send me away.
Okay. Okay, we don't know what's going on. We're just trying to figure out what's going on. Like that's why I detained you because we got a call that you were hitting your mom and ran away. Okay? So that's why you're in cuffs right now. It doesn't mean you're under arrest or anything. Okay. Take some deep breaths. Take some deep breaths, okay? Just try to calm down. Try to take some deep breaths. You're hyperventilating right now. There you go. Some deep breaths. It's good. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Just take some deep breaths. Okay. Are you having any like mental health problems or anything? No, it's just just physical. Your lungs are hurting you.
Yes.
Okay, they'll come over here and talk to you too, just to make sure you're all good. But
X-ray 1, are you guys good out there?
we're okay.
Okay.
Like I said, we just are trying to figure out what's going on. That's why the handcuffs are on you. Once we figure out what's going on, we can take them off. Double locking and stuff. I didn't do that yet.
What's that?
Yeah, double locking and stuff. I didn't do that yet.
Where am I going?
He'll tell you what's going on.
Can you just tell me?
I don't know. He's going to tell you. I'm not sure what's going on.
Well, you're going to be going to the station with us, okay?
Why?
For a domestic matter.
What about when she hit me?
Well, we have two people saying that you jumped on her because she took your computer. Okay, we have two witnesses and she has marks and injuries from you jumping on her. Okay, so we'll go to the station and we'll talk, okay?
警察有合理根据逮捕受害者母亲陈述和可见伤痕，再加上证人父亲。根据美国宪法第4修正案，警察无需搜查令即可逮捕，如果有立即危险。关于处罚，首次可能罚款、社区服务或短期监禁。如果有前科或加重，如使用武器，可升级为重罪。
You don't have any pockets, right?
No.
Okay.
What about my stuff?
Deal with that.
I don't want to
later.
come back here.
Okay.
Am I going to jail?
Yeah, you're
Yeah,
going to the
here.
police station.
But I mean, am I going to county?
Once we get to the station, we'll talk about, we'll get all figured out, see what's going to go on.
Alright, take a seat. Alright, just Sit tight.
I'm gonna turn the air up for you too, so it cools off more back here. Okay, Lily?
She was telling me that she's having trouble breathing and her lungs hurt and stuff. I don't know if you want to have them talk to her before we transport her or not.
Oh, what, you got her like into custody?
Yeah, she calmed down a lot, but she kept saying that she couldn't breathe. Her chest was hurting. She said her mom hit her in the stomach, so she was hurt.
Okay.
I don't know if you want them to talk to her.
You walking here? Are you okay breathing back here? Do you want paramedics to watch it, check out or anything?
Oh my God.
We'll get that figured out.
And my baby, what is my phone in my knee?
Okay. We'll see what we can get for it. Okay, Liz?
I don't want to come back to me.
Okay. Okay. One thing, I'll go tell you radio station. Walk over there and there's out down the street. Off the over there. For the way, we'll gain what we can get for you. Bring back. Hey. One. Response.
I might really go to.
Well, you might. That's why I want to see like it's stepping in. It's not like you definitely
女孩拒绝了医护人员的检查，因为她知道自己就没有受伤。最终，女孩因家庭暴力指控被捕。视频一经发出后，引发了网友们的强烈热议。有网友说，从情感上来说，她大概只有5岁，一个鼻孔穿孔、抽电子烟的5岁孩子，或者说，她是她那一代人的杰出代表。还有网友说，她这个年纪不应该打妈妈，也该长大，有自己的空间了。别再蹭的蹭着他们了。更有网友说，呜咽、抽泣，但很遗憾，没有眼泪。对于今天的事件，您有什么看法呢？欢迎评论区留言，感谢您的观看，下期见。